How do you start selling digital products if you don't know how to create a digital product? What if it's possible to find digital products that you did not create, but that you can actually resell for 100% profit? It almost sounds like you're doing something wrong, but there is actually a way to do that, and we're going to be talking about that in today's video. But first, if you're new around here, hello, my name is Shirley. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, I talk about tools, tips, strategies that you can use to learn how to make money online in your spare time so you can replace your full-time income, break free from the 9-to-5 grind, and finally enjoy your life. I have a lot of exciting content planned, and right now the goal is to post 3 videos a week so you have the tools that you need to be able to work less and make more so you can start living the life that you deserve to be living. So if you're ready to break free from the 9-to-5 grind, drop "I'm ready for freedom" down in the comments and consider subscribing to the channel so that you don't miss any of the future episodes. So in this video, we're going to be talking about how you can find digital products that other people have already created, but that you can get the resale rights to. This means that you can buy it once and resell it over and over and over again and keep 100% of the profit. That's because these digital products come with either master resale rights, or MRR, or private label rights, or PLR. Each one gives you the ability to buy a digital product and then turn around and resell it. Now, with master resale rights, you're not allowed to make any changes to the product at all that you're reselling, but with a private label right digital product, you can actually completely rebrand it. You can make tweaks to it. You can basically use it as a base to create your own digital product that you then turn around and sell to other people. I personally have been involved in master resale rights for the last year or so. I haven't dabbled in private label rights yet, but I fully intend to in the near future. And so by being able to get access to existing digital products that you then can turn around and fully resell to your customers and keep every cent of every sale, this is a great way to get up and running and start building online income streams, even if you're a complete beginner and you have no experience at all. So why are we talking about digital products? Why not physical products? Well, physical products are great, and you can definitely take the same concept and resell physical products through a process called drop shipping. Although with drop shipping, you don't buy any of the physical products until someone places an order. I actually made a video on what dropshipping is and how it works. I can link it in the card right up here. You can go check that out if you're interested. But aside from that, there are a whole bunch of benefits to selling digital products as opposed to selling physical products. And by the way, a digital product, just in case you're a bit iffy on what the heck that even is, it is anytime somebody pays to access some kind of information or some kind of experience or some kind of education, some kind of help on the internet. So if you've ever purchased a digital book from Amazon, well, that's a digital book. It's a digital product. If you've ever purchased a Netflix subscription, well, those are digital movies, digital TV shows. That is a digital product. And also, if you ever happen to have taken an online college course, that was also a digital product. If you paid to access something online and you can't hold it physically in your hand, that's a digital product. And the benefits of selling digital products over physical products are many. First of all, unlike with physical products, these digital products, they live online. They are digital in nature, so you don't ever have to worry about physical inventory. You don't have to restock anything. You can either make digital products if you know how to do that, or you can get resale rights on an existing digital product, like I mentioned earlier. And either way, you make it once, you buy it once, you turn around, you sell the exact same thing to infinity. No restocking at all. And also, because these digital products live online, you don't have to ship anything. They are delivered instantly to your customer. So there's no shipping cost to deal with, no logistics to worry about, no customers emailing you going, "Where's my thing? It should have been here 3 days ago." You also don't have to worry about these digital products breaking before your customers get to it. So all of that really reduces the amount of customer service that you have to deal with in your online business, which means an online business that promotes digital products is one of the most low maintenance type of businesses that you can get up and running with. And all of these benefits also means that there is next to no overhead. The amount of recurring costs that you have to run your online business can be little to absolutely none, depending on how you decide to actually market your online business. So when I say that you can resell these digital products for 100% profit, depending on what strategy you use, it can literally be 100% of every sale that goes to you. And because digital products are digital live online, don't need to be restocked, are instantly delivered, don't need your direct time and attention for sales to happen, that means that there is unlimited scaling potential. There is no limit to how much you can make with a digital product business. I personally know someone who's making $400,000 a month with this business model. She's been doing this for 7 years, so she has built that up. But can you imagine if that could be you 7 years from now because you learned how to start a digital product business, 400,000 a month? I mean, that sounds like it's definitely worth getting involved in. And another benefit to selling digital products, because they are digital in nature and you're obviously promoting them on the internet, you've got global reach for your digital products. You don't have to worry about keeping your clientele to whatever country you happen to be living in. You can literally promote your digital products to people all over the world. And people are constantly willing to spend money on digital products that can help them solve a problem or reach a desired end goal. Digital products, they're generally very affordable, they're quick to consume, they can take it with them on their phone. They're just massively convenient for everyone across the globe. And you also don't even have to worry about it getting saturated. There is absolutely no concern about saturating the market with a digital product online business. There are just entirely too many specific niches that you could learn to specialize in where people can discover you and go, I think this person can help me solve my problem. Let me go check out their digital products and see if they can help me. So you don't have to worry about saturation here either. So how do we go about finding these products that come with master resale rights? Well, there are a number of different options out there. However, my favorite digital products to resell happen to be digital marketing courses, and this is beneficial for a number of different reasons. First of all, a digital course is the most valuable type of digital product that you can promote. Digital courses can cost as little as $100 to thousands of dollars. And so by getting the resale rights to a digital course, like suddenly every sale that you make, you're making hundreds per sale. And the benefit of reselling a course that also happens to be a digital marketing course is that this course is also going to teach you how to sell those digital products if you aren't already a digital marketing expert and you don't actually know how to get sales to an online business. Two birds, one stone. So most of the digital marketing courses I've seen that come with master resale rights range from $100 to $900. Most are $500 to $600 or less. However, last year I discovered a suite of done-for-you digital products that was a live interactive training program that also came with resale rights. The 4 products that came with the suite cost $100, $300, $600, and $900. And depending on how you choose to get started with this program, you can either get the resale rights to 1 digital product or 4, depending on how you got started. This suite of done-for-you digital products is the only one that I have seen in over a year that offers 4 income streams for you to get started with, reselling with master resale rights, keeping 100% of the profit, that allows you to make as much as $900 a sale, which is the most that I have seen online so far. But even better than that, you also get a done-for-you system to sell the digital products. So all these other digital marketing courses that come with master resale rights, you can resell the program in order to practice the marketing strategies that they're teaching, but they don't actually set you up with the tech and the tools and the websites that you need in order to sell the things. That's something that you need to learn how to do yourself if you don't already know how. But with the digital products that I found and that I love recommending, that system is done for you. So not only do you get 1 to 4 done for you digital products that you can promote and make as much as $900 a sale, but the website is already done for you. You don't have to learn how to build that. The emails are pre-written and done for you, so you don't have to come up with your own email campaign. The funnel system that actually makes the sales is also already done for you, and you don't have to learn how to build that either. So if you don't know how to do any of this stuff, stepping into a program where it's already done for you makes it way more beginner friendly. So with this option, you don't need to have any experience, you don't need to have any tech skills, and because it's a business in a box, basically, you can launch within hours. And again, you get step-by-step instructions on exactly how to get sales on those digital products, because the purpose of the program and the reason you're allowed to resell them in the first place is so that you can learn digital marketing. So you are permitted to resell the program in order to practice. Or if you already know digital marketing and you're just looking for digital products that you can just resell on your own, you can just take these digital products, get the resale rights, and run with it. So here's how you would get set up selling this particular suite of digital products. First, you would join the program. It's called the Legacy Builder program, and you would get the resale rights to whatever level you happen to join. The best-selling level of the program is the 900, which comes with the resale rights to all 4 levels of the program. However, what level you choose to get started with, that's going to come with its own set of done-for-you website and tools. So inside of your step-by-step training portal, you'll get access to these done-for-you templates and resources, and you will be able to start building out your business in a box on a free software platform called System.io. All you do is you get the link, you plug it into your browser, and there you go. It's loaded right into your account. Then you follow the step-by-step training videos that walks you through exactly how to get your online business off the ground, how to connect your payment processor, how to connect your business to your bank account so that when you make a sale, every sale goes directly to you, as well as how to set up the pre-written done-for-you email templates that go out for the automated follow-up, because the Legacy Builder program teaches an automated online business model, so most of everything's automated for you, and 95% of the business is already pre-built for you. By the way, if you choose to do this, when you get these pre-written templates, they are mostly pre-written, but please make sure you edit these emails, please. There is no better way to let people know that you're working off of a template than to send out an email that says, your name here in the signature. Like, it's pre-written, but you do have to customize it at least a little bit. So make sure you do that. Once you've launched your online business and it's up and running, ready to start taking your potential customers through the journey of the know, like, and trust, then the Legacy Builder program takes you step by step through exactly how to get sales on these digital products. They'll walk you through a proven process for creating content on social media in order to get leads and traffic to that website and your automated sales platform. They teach you how to create content for free. They don't even teach paid ads in the program as of the creation of this video. Oh, and don't worry, you don't need followers in order to follow this process. The Legacy Builder program was created for absolute complete beginners in mind, and so everyone starts from zero. You learn how to grow a social media account from the ground up. Now, they have strategies for all the different social media platforms, so you pick the platform that makes you happiest, whatever platform you're more comfortable on. You learn the strategy for that platform, and then you go and you stick to the specific strategy. A lot of the platforms, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, for example, come with the recommendation of posting 3 times a day. And if you've never done social media marketing before, that might sound like a lot, but I promise you it doesn't take nearly as much time as you might think that it does. In fact, the Legacy Builder program practices, preaches, and teaches a 2-hour workday. So all this content that they're trying to get you to create, you can do that in 2 hours a day. And so by creating this content and posting to social media, this is how you get in front of your potential customers. People that you didn't know, so you're learning how to sell to strangers, so you don't have to go try to sell your digital products to people who you already know in your life. You don't have to go bug your friends and family. And the automated sales process helps your online business make sales to people without you actually having to be there to collect the sale. And you're selling products you didn't even have to make. And in this specific example, you can make as much as 900 a sale. I tell you what, being able to make 900 a sale on something you didn't even have to make, it seriously sounds like a cheat code for life. Now, I got started reselling digital products back in September of 2023. I was brand new to this concept. I'd been trying to make money online for 5 years. I had no clue that master resale rights was a thing. I had no clue that I could take products that I didn't make, turn around, sell it, and keep 100%. Now, I had heard of affiliate marketing where I'm selling stuff that I didn't make, but with that strategy, I keep a piece of the sale, not 100%. So this definitely, like, what is this thing? I had to give it a try. I'd never seen anything like it before. Now, I got started with this community and the process that they were teaching me. I got started with a done-for-you system. I got started with 4 digital products that I could resell for 100% profit. I was up and running within hours, and by following the step-by-step process laid out in this program, I was seeing sales to this online business in 3 weeks. And because it's a digital marketing course, I was learning step by step on how exactly to get these sales. I have been able to make double what I used to make working full time. I've been able to experience back-to-back 5-figure months, which is not something I had ever experienced before finding this program. And as of the creation of this video, I am on track to hit my first 6 figures with this program in the next couple of months. So naturally, I love this program and I love sharing it with people. And there are all sorts of other people inside of this private community, people who are complete beginners, people who never had an online business before, people who didn't have their own products to promote, people who had tried like MLM and did not have any experience over there whatsoever, people who had tried other courses that didn't get where they wanted to go, which actually also applies to me. And the proven process and the digital products offered inside of this program changed all of that for them. Now, that's just my favorite suite of done-for-you digital products to promote. There are others out there, so you can definitely do your research and find the other digital products that are available. I can't link to them because I don't know what they all are, but I do know that they exist. But if this sounds like a great way to start making money online as a beginner, if you can see how this can shorten the process to get up and running with an online business so you can start building streams of income online, then it's worth doing your homework to learn more about this, right? I'm going to go ahead and link to the suite of done-for-you digital products that I got started with down in the description. You can check it out, get all the information, do your homework, by all means, do your due diligence. But just don't get stuck in research mode. Because whatever strategy you decide to get started with, you do have to actually get started and start implementing, or you're never going to make any money online. You got to get started with something. And I absolutely love online businesses that sell digital products because, again, for the people that I'm trying to help, people who are working 50, 60, 70 hours a week at a job and they're looking for strategies to make money online in their spare time, an online business promoting digital products through an automated sales process, and in the case of the Legacy Builder program that you can do in 2 hours a day, that makes it a great side hustle and a great way to get up and running, making money online. So if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the chat. What do you think of master resale rights? What do you think of the ability to resell stuff that you didn't make and keep 100% of the sale? Does that sound like a beginner-friendly strategy to you? Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section, and by all means, share any questions that you have because I'm here to answer questions. So that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found the information helpful, if you found the information valuable, then consider liking and subscribing this video so the YouTube algorithm knows that people are getting value from it and other people looking for beginner-friendly strategies to start making money online, they can find this video and they can benefit from it as well. So I'll see you in the next video, but if you're hungry and ready for more, YouTube seems to think that you'll enjoy this video next.